so fun to see. Oh, Despicable Me.
So, you want to read the book? Peter Bear and His Alaskan Friends?
Yeah!
Okay, that sounds like a stupid book. Peter Bear and Fearless Hare. All soft and furry wet. I don't know. I guess it is though.
I want to look at your butt!
Okay. Peter Moose, who's by the spruce, with antlers, soft and bright, smooth and bright.
Ooh. How come I don't have antlers? That's not fair!
Right down. Caribou have antlers too. The soft one in the velvet. Be quiet, Agnes.
It's so fluffy.
I am gay!
Peter Fish and see him squish. Squish, his tiny scales are wet. It's not wet.
I want to go disco! Yeah, me too! Me too!
What kind of fish is this? Sockeye? That's a bear with fuzzy brown hair. He fishes when it's early. So fluffy.
It's so fluffy, I'm gonna die.
I woke up too early!
Okay, this is a stupid book. This is the worst book I ever read. Peter sheep on slope so steep. His horns are ribbed and curly. How can they be ribbed? I don't understand that. No, that's what ribbed is, but I don't know how it's curly.
I am really gay too!
Charlie, Charlie,
Charlie!
Is it the end of the book? There's no story. What the heck is this? This is the worst book I ever read.
Pet the bear! Pet it!
They're not even bear.